Welcome back to the channel. We are reviewing Hoth Therapeutics with the ticker symbol HOTH. And yesterday, this was one of those breakaway stocks that took off like a rocket going to the moon. Today, the stock is down 31.42% and is trading right now at 72 cents. If you were invested in this company prior to yesterday, you would still be significantly up compared to the end of last week when the stock was trading just at about 64 cents. The big news was that yesterday the company announced that they had come up with a novel treatment for cancer cells, and in the model that they used, the cancer cells were completely dead within 72 hours. They had experimented in vitro, which means in a test tube, or in non-living organism, and then after testing in vitro, that's in the lab, they tested in an animal model, and the animal model also presented very promising results. So that's how the company announced yesterday that they had this novel treatment, and that within 72 hours the cancer cells were dead. That is very significant because they went on further to describe how if you had probably metastasis, they were equally treated by this novel method that they developed. Anything that deals with cancer, anything that promises to treat cancer is for sure a multi-billion-dollar product. So Hoth Therapeutics seems to be on the right path, and like I pointed out earlier, to actually bring this to market, they would have to work out a means of doing clinical trials in real human beings, and that is when we will know for sure if humans can tolerate the treatment. And if they can tolerate it, then is it actually effective on cancer cells in the human body? So that's still a major hurdle that has to be overcome, and you should keep a very close watch on this company. Like I said earlier, it is one of those companies you hear about them, you hear about their product, and if you don't save the information, then you lose track over time. And one day you just hear that they've completed their phase 3 clinical trials and they are about to bring the medication to market. By then, of course, it's already a bandwagon. All those who had to get on board are already on board. It might be too late. So I'm not actually saying go and invest in this company. I am just saying that it's a company that has a lot of potential, and I will keep a close watch on the stock and also on the activities of the company. Probably track their clinical trials, because when they start and they have interim reports, you might actually miss those if they are not very significant. So think about getting in when the stock is still valued at the very, very affordable level. Volume today is 13 million. Average volume would be about 3.6 on a typical day, and I'm not sure if it's buy orders or sell orders, but with the stock dropping the way it has, 31%, that is a lot. I am thinking some long-term investors sold their shares either yesterday or at market open today. Thanks once more for joining me in reviewing Hoth Therapeutics. Please, if you want to support the channel and support me also, consider hitting the thumbs up button below and subscribing to the channel. Already we're having quite very good positive feedback with the number of people subscribing to the channel growing in a very healthy manner, and I would like to keep that trend. So thank you for your support by clicking on the thumbs up button below and also subscribing to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video, and thanks for your time. Bye.